try this at home. Reckless Fishing TV, baby. We got a big one on. Reckless Fishing TV! What's going on? We're hitting the cliff spot! Let's get at 'em! Baby catfish at the spot. There's a fucking boat, a shipping, like a fucking Pirates Caribbean boat at the dock. Right there. What the fuck? I've never seen that. Wait, what? What the fuck? Yo. No worries, it's on video. That's a fucking full-on boat.
Nice.
Yes. This is on the big Kabasi, baby. Reckless Fishing TV. You know what the fuck is good? We're gonna take it a little easy. Yeah. Oh shit. He's tucked. Oh! It's a... All right. He's a big one. We got a big one. Oh, he's running. Got it. Careful. Fucking. He's gonna take off my other one.
Did he? Oh, come on. I could have moved that pole if you want me to. It's at least like 6 pounds though.
He was fighting.
It's like 6 pounds. Want me to unhook him?
Yeah, if you want. It's a pretty solid hook set.
You say that every time.
Oh. Isaac's the hook getter offer guy.
Unhooker.
He's a pro at it. Right out,
Damn.
dude. Right out.
That bad boy out.
There's a fat one. Look at that. There we go.
Nice.
Good one. Damn.
I got it.
Not for him. We're gonna let him out.
Not for him. It's like a slight indirect. Didn't want to hurt his feeling.
Damn! Hey James, we got a bid. No matter what, we got a bid.
That's just because Isaac. Getting another video. Oh.
Nope, it just went away. It just literally just walked away. It fucking took its fish balls, grabbed them by the hand, and just
like,
walked. Let's talk.
So this is what's gonna happen. At the end of this video, Isaac will catch something on the way. Every time we fish together, right when we're about to leave, he gets slammed. I'm gonna say it now at the beginning of the fishing video. Can we get a timestamp? Actually, we get a time check right here. Time check is 6:49. By the time we leave, right when we're packing up, he's gonna get slammed. Just saying now.
Just saying it now. With him not here, by the way.
I'm not here. Every perch 10. Every perch 10 push-ups. Every eel 20 push-ups. Oh! Oh! No! Well, caught another one.
How do you do it? For the fuck.
Oh. Got the push-ups in.
Setups.
I mean, this one's pretty straight.
Yeah, That pole might go in.
Yeah.
Long fish, dude.
Hey, it's okay. There's only like.
You got
Oh
it.
my
Dude, look at
God.
this shit.
Oh!
Oh, keep
No.
going.
Yeah.
Oh.
He did
I
know.
honestly-
Keep
yeah.
going right there.
Oh! Oh! Whoa!
He might have been just be really low.
Oh.
Swimming right at me. Swimming right at me. There we go.
Nice.
The big one. Now stop.
Not a small one. We haven't been catching bigs today.
That's a plus, though.
That's the
Imagine-
instant you want me to do.
Imagine me going fishing by myself. It's so shit. I just, man, I gotta use pliers all the time. Nice little guy. Is your phone underwater?
Yeah.
Go underwater. No, stop.
Do it?
I mean, if I didn't have the microphone on, yeah.
I was about to say that.
That'd be so
If I
good.
turn off the microphone, I'd do it. You want me to?
Yeah, kinda.
Come on.